Unplug the power cord of ice maker. Open the door panel. Remove the fixing screws around the top cover. Then take it down. Remove the right side cover. This is the drain valve. Unplug the two plug wires. Untie this cable tie with scissors. Unplug the drain hose. Come right in front of the machine. Remove these two screws. Take down the water pump. Pull out the pump and take down the white water inlet hose inside. Remove the drain valve fixed screw. Loosen this clamp with the help of a tool. Pull out the hose connector. The drain valve can be removed. Replace and install a new one. Get the two screws fixed. Put back the hose and tighten the clamp. Put back and install the water pump. Put back the water inlet hose. Get the screws fixed. Put back the drain hose. Tighten it with TS. Then plug the two wires of the drain valve. Put back the right side cover. Put back the top cover. Connect the power to start and test the machine.